Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage aspect ratio of this camera. We are in 3 and 4. Let's change this to 1 and 1 from the left. And as you can see now, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the right corner, and we can pick also 9 and 16 aspect ratio, and now the background has changed to the longer one. And also when we pick this button in the right corner once again, we can get access to the full aspect ratio, so for now we can see the full camera frame. And when we pick the right corner button once again, we can of course change this aspect ratio to whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.